another day in the journal. Super bullish on the day. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour gaps. Hourly here, hourly here. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, hourly here. And yeah, at the time we had an hourly here. Here's market open, yeah. So at the start, we tapped into the hourly above. Yeah, I'm not paying for TradingView and I don't have to. So yeah, we tapped in this hourly above, rejected lower. I know there was an SMT here with this hourly. But honestly, I was really hoping that ES would at least go in this 4 hour and we would get an SMT out of that. And maybe another SMT at these lows, and I don't like equal lows. So I did stay out of that. But super obvious draw. Okay. London high. I was waiting for a 5-minute continuation, any sort of continuation whatsoever. And yeah, that just did not happen. There was a 1-minute short today, I believe, in the morning. Yeah. Yeah, at 8:35. Obviously didn't take this trade because we were respecting off of this hourly at the time, or this hourly down here at the time. And I was just praying I'd get one continuation, one retrace, and we just didn't get one. So that really pissed me off, and I got off right at 10, yeah. Yeah, so didn't like the equal low, so I wouldn't have taken this well, you could talk about like this 5-minute inversion here. I could have taken, but yeah, I'm happy. I didn't like the equal lows ES edge to the 4 hour too. So I really think that stop loss was a little unprotected. But once we got up here, and right after this candle, I was just praying that anything went down to tap into a gap. Because London high was super obvious, and that just did not happen. We ended up taking another high too. I don't remember what that was. That was from that. Okay. But yeah, that was the day. Nothing too exciting. No trades. Still down 800 on the accounts, but honestly, I'm not scared at all. I know we'll get it back. Backtesting. So they finally, after that horrid update yesterday, I can finally actually jump to a session again. So we'll do a little bit of backtesting, and then we will go from there. Okay. I don't remember what this low was from. There's no daily gaps anywhere around here. Just all the way up there, okay. Okay. So this is a big point here. Obviously, I'm going to just use these 2, 4, or possibly 3 4-hour gaps on the downward trend that we were in. And this is basically going to be my confluence for the day. It's going to be hard to long off of this and predict something like that. So I really do hope we end up more bearish. But can see maybe like a continuation. I mean, there is a tiny, okay, wait, let's see this right here. It's a tiny gap right here we wicked in, wicked out of. So I don't really like that on ES. But yeah, we'll use these gaps if we do end up being bullish. I guess we'll have to see what we're going to do. But we'll figure it out along the way. I just hope we're not. Put that line there. And there's another gap. I mean, it can't hurt to mark this out too. Hourly, not really too worried about it. Kind of just want to go off the higher time frame. So we're really going to see right here where the market wants to go. I honestly wouldn't even mind a short right here. Okay, we're dropping. Let's go up. Okay, obviously, that's just almost too perfect. We inversed all these gaps. ES is a little behind, but I do think that this draw up here is probably our DOL. I think NQ is just the lead indicator right now. So we're gonna see what type of continuation we can maybe get. But we know now there's like a 5-minute continuation higher, which I'm kind of lenient on taking something like that. No, of course. A 15-minute is just all the way down there. Still got a lot of liquidity built up. Yesterday's highs. So we can go like TP1, TP2. My only concern is this is pretty premium. Very premium. I don't like looking at that gap there, but the wick right there is nice. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shoot it and then just go break even here on this candle. We don't need to mark it, honestly. We'll see what that stop's gonna look like. Okay, so right about. Oh, this is the 3-minute. Where's that 5 at? Let's see. If I do 1K. Okay, so that's the very high. I might do it 1-to-1 here. Just like this, like so. Get rid of that line. Whoa. Do not want to move that. Move that just a little. Now, I'm not going to be surprised if we get stopped here, but I will just re-enter. And we are break even, so we are safe. Free trade, never complain. Only 20 points, 23 points worth of a stop, but it looks like it should be safe right about here. Bang. TP1, TP2. Bang. So yeah, that was a great day. I think the draw was hit on the day, unless we do keep soaring up here, but I already took a dub. Let's see. Like, I could definitely see. I could definitely see us going higher right here. Okay, well, it just doesn't want to. That's fine too. Good day. Got this gap here. Play off of that. That gap's not made yet. This is Asia low. Pretty much. I'm looking pretty similar here. So again, I don't really want us to go down because I really just want to continue off of this high. We are playing off an hourly right as we speak as well. So I kind of just hope, we hit the 4-hour, go higher, hit the hourly, go higher. Hey, let's hit a 15-minute continuation higher. But it's New York session open, so a lot's probably going to change. Okay. Kind of curious. Yeah, that doesn't really look too hot. Is there an SMT right here? SMT right here at this low and SMT at this 1 hour. What is this, a 30 second? Please be a 30 second. Oh, this is choppy. This is really choppy. I feel like I would have entered this though. Yeah, I definitely would have entered this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely entering this. So 850. I'll just go for the low-hanging fruit. What's right there? We can go. Let me just say right there, maybe. Do that. So we know we chop around here for a while, which I don't like. It's gonna make me want to get out. Okay, if ES takes out this high as well, because this is probably gonna be another SMT right here. And Q just got a lot further to go. So yeah, we know we chop. Is it gonna stop me out? Okay, we got stopped. Definitely would have taken that trade though. We never hit the 5. We're back in the 4. ES hit the hourly, but I'd still like to go higher right here. Another sweep. In 5 minutes, this 15-minute open, so this could be TP. But I love the wicks. And that kind of sucks. Oh. Oh, we have news. Oh my god, bro. Pal's testifying. Oh, we would have smacked TP too. Gosh darn it, pal. That would have been a banger trade, bro. Banger comeback. Damn, bro. That would have made us all our money back. Pal really just fucked us. Well, did what I wanted to do. So we obviously have a lot of empty space right here. SMT right here. I honestly, man, I'm still pissed about that, bro. If Powell wasn't there, I would have banged that trade. Gosh darn it, you pal. I honestly kind of want to be bearish here, just because there's an empty void of absolutely nothing above. So we can get a continuation higher. I could also see us blazing through this and getting a continuation lower to maybe like this low right here. Mark out. We have the SMT there as well. But yeah, I would like to be bearish. Obviously, we are just ripping up, and market wants to do what market wants to do. But based off technical analysis, there's so much empty space up here, and I don't know if we're going to this daily gap or what. Obviously, this was news or Biden or something related. People didn't like. But okay, so we got 4 hour, 4 hour. So let's see what we do at open. Here, ES is still, what's this 4 hour? This is a big 4 hour gap. Okay, we've wicked out of this twice. with the SMT, I do want to be bearish. But, okay, so obviously we are pumping this empty space. So this isn't what I want, because my only true target is here. And we are obviously inside a 4 hour on both pairs, already on NQ, but once ES takes out that high as well, which is this high over here. I guess we can mark this out, but this line isn't really too significant to me. Pretty fucking significant for the market though, I guess. Ooh. Just go lower. Oh my gosh, go lower. Yeah, like honestly, this is such a big S&T. ES is down here. But probability has to be on my side. Like, we are just ripping the fuck up. Okay, so here's the inversion right here. There is a 15-minute opening right now. Okay, so I can't take it. Okay, go up, go up. Go up. Oh, the SMT. Do I really? This is like late in session. It's gonna get iffy. No, I mean, it's a journal for a reason. I don't like how ES is already at that high. We're just gonna stay out. We're definitely going higher, aren't we, though? No, we just can't chop. Alright, come on. We're going to this daily high right here. Maybe we can snag that high, too, if it's available. Okay, so 4 hour gaps are not very existent right now. Yes, filled this. This is really a pump and dump high time frame wise market versus low time frame right now. We're fucking just ripping, pumping and dumping with no retrace. And the high time frame is chop. This is the complete opposite. I mean, sure. I mean, might as well just move this up here. Mark that out. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, I think we're good to go. There is an hourly right here. But honestly, London low is right here, so I'd like to see London low get swept into these hourlies. And then we go higher. That's kind of what I would like. So let's see if we maybe dump to those lows. And then let's see. Oh, okay. Actual. What is non-defense capital goods order? Durable goods order? I mean, I'm on FX replay. I don't know. That's interesting. Well, we have Asia low here, so I mean, shoot. Might as well trade into Asia, right? Now, what if we go higher? Just kind of hoping we hit the 4 hour, not gonna lie. Think we're targeting the 4 hour? Like, price really has been dumping. hit the 15. We're wicking lower. There's not a 5. There's not a 4. There's not a 3. Okay, so it was this 2 minute. Do I want to take this? I kind of do. I feel like news. Wait, aircraft. Actual and previous. I don't know what point these mean. But we're gonna say this stuff is. Okay, so we're gonna hit a nice trade here, possibly. We can actually size in a little bit more. So let's go 1.8. We'll go for a short. Okay, we'll take off 10%. There's no 5-minute gap, is there? No. But I think just a good break even would be this point right here. I feel like this is really the only thing that would hurt my stop, possibly. Okay, we know it wicks up here, which I don't like at all. Okay, and then we get that. Should we wait for maybe this low to be taken too? There's a small SMT, but again, we have how many points? We're at 59. Okay, so we have 31 points, 32 points to protect our stop, and we need to go basically that same amount lower. I can go in the minute. I might start dragging stop here. If we do take out a low one more time. Okay, so we're gonna drag stop. We're gonna drag it there. So 40 points, need 16. Come on, we got it right here. Oh yeah. Brother. We really just leaving these lows right here? I mean, shit. What? Okay. So we're just not resweeping it again. Alright, well, we'll do one more. I don't even know what to do. Okay, we gotta, come on, we gotta hit this 4 hour right here. It's this fatty. We'll reassess from there. I just don't, like, looking at the hourly, this is pretty shit. Oh, there is an hourly. I almost missed it. Alright, we'll go with the bada bing. Bada boom. Whoa, tiny, tiny, tiny. Okay, I guess let's see where we go. No, I guess it's not that bad when I have it normal. Okay, no way there's an SMT up here. Don't tell me there's an SMT. Oh my gosh. Y and Q. Alright, we're going. Dude, if there's a gap right here that we could respect, that would be so nice. Kind of want to go lower now. This wick makes me want to go higher. Maybe this 2 minute right here. Just not taking it against a high time frame SMT. There's just no gaps being made. Took out London high with a high time frame SMT. I wanted it to go lower. I don't even think there was an entry I would have taken. I almost took this 2 minute long, but then I realized I was dumb. No 5 minute gap tap. Well, now I want it to go higher. Another SMT like ES is really lagging. After that dump, though, this would be a crazy reversal. Okay, I'm not taking it. Alright, well. And June's been a really interesting month. We've barely made more than we lost. Four here. Oh, wait, we need to go to the next session. Alright, huge gap. Nice. Another gap we've already tapped into, already respected. Oh, I wanted it to go up. Do not like that. Relative equal lows right here. Another 4 hour here. Obviously we're bearish. I think that's all we really need. Damn it, bro. Dang it, dang it. Oh, there's hope. There is hope. Bruh. There we go. There we go. Shit, I don't want to take a 5 minute. Had a cont there, but honestly I was looking for shorts, and then now they're going higher. I don't got anything else. I want one of these pairs to hit this 4 hour here. It is 11, but I do want a short. Yeah, like that's the thing. Both pairs hit the 4. It's gotta be an unfilled 15 here. I am breaking my rules right now. I think we could short this. I'm not going to because it is 11. And I honestly want to get off. And break even. Brutal.